Welcome to our channel. My name is Ashish, and in this playlist of forearm, we will discussing about the muscles, nerves, arteries, and the different structure under the heading forearm. So, without wasting time, let's start with the topic forearm. The forearm consists of two words. The word forearm consists of two words, namely fore and the arm, means the structure in the front of the arm. So, forearm means the structure in front of the arm. It is also called antebrachium. So the structure in front of arm. It is also called antebrachium. As you know, the word brachium refers to arm. So the structure in the front of the arm is called antebrachium or the forearm. Now I think you're well aware of the term forearm. So forearm is a structure in front of the arm and it is also called antebrachium. Forearm extends between the elbow to the wrist. So it extends from the elbow joint to the wrist joint in the hand. So it extends between elbow joint to wrist. Now we'll discussing about the muscles of both anterior and posterior compartment with just a simple trick. Firstly, we'll discussing about the muscles of the anterior compartment and then followed by the posterior compartment. Do watch till the end so that you have a better grasp on the topic of the muscles of the forearm. So forearm is divided into two parts. First, the anterior compartment or the anterior side of the forearm, which is also called the front of forearm. So firstly we'll discussing all the structure that are present in the front of the forearm. Next we'll discussing about the structures at the back of forearm. So let's start with the muscles of the front of the forearm. So let's see what we have to study in the topic muscles. So muscles of the forearm are divided into two groups, superficial and deep. So in total there are 8 muscles in front of the forearm. Firstly, we're discussing front of the forearm. In muscles under heading muscles, we have 8 muscles in front of forearm. That are the structure present in the front of the ventral aspect of the forearm, which are further divided into 5 superficial muscles and 3 deep muscles. So let's learn the name of each muscles with a very easy and simple trick. So we have 5 superficial and 3 deep muscles. So let's see what all are the 5 superficial muscles of the front of the forearm. So the trick to remember the 5 superficial muscle is fill, curds, PPT. So let's see what is the mnemonic to learn the muscles name. So trick for the 5 superficial muscles is fill, curds is also known as yogurt. So fill, curds, PPT. So let's see what this mnemonic stands for. This is a very simple mnemonic and I don't think you will ever forget the trick for the muscles of the front of the forearm. There are various other mnemonic to remember the front of the forearm which are given, but I think this one is one of the best because you will never forget about the names. So F stands for flexor. C stands for carpi and U stands for ulnaris. So the first muscle is flexor, carpi, ulnaris. So it is the muscles of the superficial compartment of the front of the forearm. Next muscle is also very simple. Again you have to start with the word fill, that is the flexor. See, we have to discuss in total 5 muscles. So flexor, again see carpi. Now it's time for the R. Flexor carpi radialis. And next one you can easily judge, flexor digitorum superficialis. So that's how we have completed the 3 out of 5 muscles of the front of the forearm. So the third muscle is flexor digitorum superficialis. Flexor digitorum superficialis. So this name of the muscle is flexor digitorum superficialis. Now the remaining three muscles will derive from the word PPT, that stands for PowerPoint presentation. So Phil Kurt's PPT, we have completed the three muscles of the front of the forearm, and next one is the palmaris longus and pronator teres. So you can also make it as PLPT for your better understanding. So it is palmaris longus and pronator teres, the muscles which helps in the pronation of the hand along with the pronator quadratus. Now we have discussed in a separate video, we will discuss about each muscle in detail, their origin, their insertion and their action with the video how the action take place. So do subscribe our channel and watch the video and share our channel with your friends. Now let us proceed further with the remaining three deep muscles. So the trick for the remaining three deep muscles of the front of the forearm. Firstly, we're discussing everything related to the front of the forearm. Then we'll proceed further with the posterior surface or the back of the forearm. So we have discussed the five superficial muscles, and the trick for the three deep muscles is find Delhi Police Private Limited in police quarter. So the trick to remember the three deep muscles is find Delhi Police Private Limited in police quarter. So again the word F always stand for that, because it is the front compartment or the flexor compartment. The word F will always stand for the flexor. So the muscle name is flexor. Flexor digitorum profundus, DP. Flexor digitorum. Just we have to discuss the three muscles. Only three muscles are there in the deeper compartment of the front of the forearm. So FDP stands for flexor digitorum profundus. Now I am sure you might be able to guess the remaining other muscles. So just give it a try and try to figure out the next muscle. See again, find in F stand for flexor, the remaining two words. Flexor pollicis, L stand for longus. So next muscle is flexor pollicis longus. And I'm damn sure if you ever have read the forearm or the front of the forearm muscles, you will be able to guess the last muscle. So give it a try. So it was flexor digitorum profundus, flexor pollicis longus, and the last muscle is, I think most of you have got this correct, that is the pronator quadratus. So like this we have completed the 8 muscles of the front of the forearm. So let's learn something about the two important muscles, that is the flexor digitorum profundus and the flexor pollicis longus. So what is the speciality of this muscle, that is the flexor digitorum profundus? Let us see. You will be pleased to know that if you see the diagram of the forearm, suppose this is the forearm and here the hand begins. So this is forearm. The bulge you see, the bulge on the little posterior part, thus you see in the forearm, is provided by the flexor digitorum profundus, and above is the arm. So arm, then this is the forearm, and here the wrist is present or the hand is present. So arm, forearm and hand. So it is a most powerful and most bulky muscle of the front of the forearm. Actually the forearm, it is the most powerful and most bulky muscle of the forearm. It is a hybrid muscle. This is a notable point. because whenever I say it is a hybrid muscle, it means it has two nerve supply. Just keep in mind, if some muscle is having two nerve supply, it is a hybrid muscle, and the vice versa is also true. So as this is, I told you it is a hybrid muscle, it will have two nerve supply. We'll see what are the nerve supply in the upcoming video. So do subscribe our channel so don't miss any updates or the latest videos. So it provides the, and next point is, it provides the gripping power to your hand. How it provides the gripping power to your hand, we will see in when we discuss the hand, gripping power of hand. Now the next muscle I told you I will discuss some points is the flexor pollicis longus. So this was all about the flexor digitorum profundus. Now let us see about the flexor pollicis longus. Flexor pollicis longus lies in the radial bursa. So it lies under the radial bursa, and tendons pass deep in the flexor retinaculum between. Tendons pass under the flexor retinaculum between two muscles, that is the opponens pollicis and adductor pollicis. So flexor pollicis longus passes under the flexor retinaculum between the opponens pollicis and the adductor pollicis, and is lined by the radial bursa. So this was all about the muscles of the front of the forearm. The separate will be video of the muscles of the forearm, including the origin insertion, will be uploaded soon. So do subscribe our channel so don't miss the latest updates. Thanks for watching.